Internal door buying guide. You got to choose choosing the perfect internal door. Choosing the right internal door for your home gives you an exciting chance to add some personal style to your rooms. But when there is some choice, where do you start? There's where we can help. We have put together a handy guide to use on your journey to the perfect door purchase. We have covered all your important decisions from size and style to material and finish, so you can be confident that you are making the right choice. From modern to traditional, panel to molded, we have got a real selection to fit any home or budget. Before you start, before choosing your internal door, you need to know what size to buy. Reach the for the matching tape and following the simple instructions. Wide is the height, how wide, how high, any adjustment, choosing your doors. Now for exciting part, choosing doors following the simple steps before will help you decide on your selection. Whether you prefer a classic or contemporary look, there's bound to be a door design that suit your home and your pocket. Paneled. Our paneled doors come primed and ready to paint, and are eyes solid or hollow core molded with a wood grain texture or smooth face, depending on your style. We also have a ply flush door panel doors which come ready to paint too. Glazed, sliding, folding, flush, fire doors, choosing your finish. Primed or and ready to paint, ply, clear pine, knotty pine, walnut veneer, flush, fully finished oak veneer, metal